Hey guys, so as promised, like I told you, I blinged out these makeup brushes and this is the final look. So like I told you, I'm going to be doing a tutorial. So these are the makeup brushes from the company Shoo, and I gave you the option of having a Swarovski. This is the color Aurum, and it's just a plain stone. You just go down in the pattern. And then this is the crystal AB stone in various different sizes. And then this is a pearl and a Swarovski crystal in the color crystal. So I wanted to give my audience a variety of, like, if you crystallize your brushes, what would it look like? This is what it would look like. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And then I'm going to be doing a tutorial. And then these are the final brushes that I'll be bedazzling. So I have 3, 3, and then 6. So I'm excited. Hope you guys enjoy.